Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Jai Shri Krishna.
Welcome to the Shri Krishna Astrology Advices channel. Our motive is your success. We pray to God that the grace of God be with you forever. Please note that the horoscope prediction is based on Hindu Vedic astrology. In this horoscope video, you will know about this month, business, job, marital life, children, love, education, and health. You will know this month's remedies and dates where you need to be careful. Let's know about the planets transit into March 2021. Lord Sun. In the beginning of this month, Lord Sun will transit in Aquarius zodiac sign. On 14 March, Lord Sun will enter in the Pisces zodiac sign. Lord Mars. In this month, Lord Mars will transit in Taurus zodiac sign. Lord Mercury. In the beginning of this month, Lord Mercury will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 11 March, Lord Mercury will enter in Aquarius zodiac sign. Lord Jupiter. In this month, Lord Jupiter will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. Lord Venus. This month, Lord Venus will transit in Aquarius zodiac sign. On 17 March, Lord Venus will enter in the Pisces zodiac sign. Lord Saturn. In this month, Lord Saturn will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. Lord Rahu. In this month, Lord Rahu will transit in Taurus zodiac sign. Lord Ketu. In this month, Lord Ketu will transit in Scorpio zodiac sign. Please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to receive notification of upcoming videos. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. Thanks. Libra horoscope of March 2021. For the business, you have to be a little serious about your work. This implies that you will have to work hard and try some new ways, which can give your business the right direction and the expansion. Your relationship with your partner can deteriorate, so keep in mind that such a situation does not occur, or else you will have to face some challenges. You should treat them well and give equal importance so that you can succeed in expanding your business faster. For the job, the month of March will bring mixed results for you in terms of career perspectives. You will have problems in getting results as per your expectations. Some people may also plot a conspiracy against you, for which you have to be careful, or else they can create problems for you. Keep your complete focus on your work, and make sure that you make no mistakes. Only then you will be able to stay in your job and get rid of your troubles to a great extent. You will have to work with confidence as the conditions will improve gradually. Marital life and children. At the family front, you will have to make a lot of efforts because you may face some disturbances in your personal life and your mind may get upset with your family over some issues. Take care of the health of your life partner, because at this time they can be ill due to any major health problems. There may be some concerns from the children, but it will be short term, so there is no need to worry. Lovers. The month of March may not be very special for those who are in romantic relationships. You should expect less from your relationship and try to live your life with simplicity. The possibility of resentment and quarrel may arise between you and your beloved. Do every possible effort from your end to avoid such a situation. Since the presence of Sun in the 5th house can cause a failure in the relationship, there are great possibilities that you may have a breakup. Therefore, it is important to be careful. Students or education. The students will have a good time with great focus and confidence during this period. Health. This month Rahu and Mars will be together in your 8th house called Anguraka Dosha. Due to this combination, you have to be aware of your health problems because any kind of injury or blood related problems can bother you at this time. You will get entangled in health problems, then you will also have to pay attention to your food and if necessary, Seek medical treatment to keep yourself free from mental stress. It would be very beneficial for you to do Kapalbhati and Pranayama. Dates where you need to be careful: 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, 11, 18, 19, 20, 28, and 29. Remedies: you should feed green fodder or spinach to cows every day. Go to the goddess Durga temple on Friday and offer red flowers, and if possible, offer hibiscus flowers. Chant the Mahamrityunjay mantra regularly. Chant the mantras of Lord Rahu, Lord Venus, and Lord Mars. Donate money or food items to needy people. For the knowledge of the planets' mantras and more information, please visit our website www.astrologyadvices.com. For the astrology consultation, horoscope counseling, horoscope matching and making of the horoscope, you can call us or WhatsApp us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Wishing you a very happy Holi festival, to you and your entire family. We pray to God that the grace of God remains on you forever. Have a nice month. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. You can contact us for astrology counseling, guidance of children education, career guidance, business related problems, health related problems, marriage, love related problems, horoscope matching, Vastu and horoscope matching etc. Monday to Saturday from 10 am to 6 pm. You can call us, WhatsApp and email us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Email astrologyadvices@gmail.com. Our motive is your success. Thank you. Jaya Shri Krishna.